Smartphones use so-called Bluetooth signals in order to collect and share data. For example, this could be audio when connected to a speaker or a file when sent to a friend. Because Bluetooth wants to connect with other devices, it constantly sends and receives signals. This way, it knows where we are, who we come in contact with, and for how long. Because the intensity of Bluetooth signals vary over distance, it also knows how close another device with enabled Bluetooth is. And of course, all this data is protocoled in the background of our phones. A contact tracing app makes use of this powerful tool to monitor how the coronavirus spreads and where new clusters build. If a person developed symptoms or tested positive for COVID-19 and reports this to the app will then scan all encounters it had all the way back to 9 days prior to the reporting. It traces all contacts that lasted longer than 15 minutes and exceeded a certain intensity. For example, everyone who came closer than 2 meters for more than 15 minutes. Every person who falls into that category and uses the same app will get a notification that advises them to get tested and to self-isolate. Every person involved in this process remains anonymous. Upon setup, the app does not demand personal information such as contact details or health status. A test or symptoms that are entered are immediately encrypted so that even people from outside who are potentially interested in the little yet sensitive data that is reported to this app cannot identify who this data belongs to. Further, our data never leaves our phone. The information that is submitted is processed on our phones only and therefore stored decentralized.